Hi guys, I'm here to do unboxing of my pranic healing wand, new one, which is with gold. So it is costing around 25,063 rupees. It's a big deal for me. So I was using these crystals before. So I learned pranic healing few years ago. I've been practicing it for 3 to 4 years, and this wand was bigger before and the point got broken, so I sent it for a repair at Jaipur. Then it got smaller, and then still I use it for 1 year almost, and now I'm unboxing this. I'll show you. At the end of the Gupta Navratri sadhana, I received this. I ordered it, but I received this today after end of the sadhana. So I did unboxing in front of my parents. So I was overjoyed, overwhelmed. I showed this wand to them. I told them that I decided that I will earn particular amount of money, the cost of this wand, and then I will buy it. So if I do healings of this cost, then only I will buy this. So this is costing 25,063 rupees. But I decided that, but I earned even more than that. Thrice or 4 times I earned. So finally I bought this and there is gold here. So golden prana will be more effective for healings. So I am so happy that I'll be using this wand now for yoga prana vidya, that is pranic healing. Oh God, I'm so happy. So I did the unboxing and it is little bit heavy, but if you see if you compare it with previous wand, this was the previous wand and this is the bigger one now. So it will be more effective to do healings with this bigger wand with gold in it. Those who are aware of pranic healing, those who know what is pranic healing and importance of this wand with gold will understand what I'm saying. Those who don't understand, just be happy for me, for my happiness. I cannot say anything else. People usually do not get happy in others' happiness, but I would always say that be happy for others' happiness too. If you liked my video, give like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget to click the bell icon, and if you have queries, suggestions, just comment below. Thank you for watching my video. I'll put this video on binge, travel, shop and eat, because this is about shopping. So I'll not put it on the Aditi Life Catalyst YouTube channel. Those who are not aware that I have another channel, Aditi Life Catalyst, please search in YouTube Aditi the Life Catalyst and you will find my channel. You can please subscribe me there also. And those who don't know about, okay, so I am uploading it on binge, travel, shop and eat. So you can also subscribe to this channel if you are not a subscriber. Okay, thank you for watching my video.